W. Douglas. W. Douglas describes his scene of drowning. I'm narrating his experience. Listen to. W. Douglas, when he was a 4 or 5 years old child, he was but a child. He was in the company of his father at the California beach. At the California beach of the sea, huge wave rose up, huge wave of the sea, and this wave overpowered father as well as the son. Because of this huge wave, W. Douglas was so frightened, he clung to his father. Father laughed. It was his first experience with water. He had the fear of the water, but he made up his mind, come what may, I will learn how to swim. There were two options, everybody. One option was Yakima River. Yakima River is said to be a very dangerous river. It has taken the lives of many people. It is dangerous because nobody can guess the depth of the river. It has the flowing water. Flowing water may prove dangerous. We cannot imagine the depth, at which side there is a depth. So it is the dangerous. Second option was YMCA pool. YMCA pool. It is the safe. Because this pool, YMCA pool, was 4 feet deep in the very beginning. And at the end, it was 9 feet deep. But the depth was gradual. You see, depth was, it is a YMCA pool. And here it is 4 feet deep. Okay. And 9 feet deep at the end. But the depth was gradual, not all of a sudden. This sudden depth can be dangerous. Okay. And 4 feet deep, then 5 feet deep, 6 feet deep. 7. In this way, the depth was gradual, not a sudden. So it was a safe place for W. Douglas to learn how to swim. He would go there. Many people would take bath there. He splashed the water there. It is a source of pleasure and enjoyment for the child to splash the water in the water. And in this time, unfortunately, we are in the grip of coronavirus. Because of this, we are unable to have the experience of the swimming pool. Otherwise, you should learn to swim. The swimming is an art. Not only an art, it is an exercise, also best exercise, swimming. So every day he would go there. One day what happens? He was all alone. He was waiting someone to come. He cannot dare to go in the water, though it was not dangerous. All alone, he cannot go. In the meantime, what happened? There was a muscled boy of 18 years. He had rippling muscles, you know? Chota U. Understand? Chota U. Rippling muscles. He said, hey, skinny boy. Since he was very thin boy, he picked up W. Douglas and tossed him in the 9 feet deep water. Now, W. Douglas started drowning in the 9 feet deep water. He writes his experiences, how he felt, what ideas struck his mind, what was he planning, whether he was able to execute his planning into action or not. Planning were being translated into action or not. He was doing everything. Now, you know, this 9, now here is W. Douglas in the 9 feet deep water. W. Douglas is in the 9 feet deep water. He is drowning in the 9 feet deep water. At the same time, he is planning. He was actively planning. His mind was at work. He thought in the mind that when I will strike the bottom, I will strike the bottom hard and I will come up like a cork, bottle of cork. I will come up. He was planning. It does not happen. He could not strike forcefully. And he was drowning. He can see the yellowish water everywhere. There is no chance of his escape. He was crying and crying, but nobody but water could listen to his cry. 9 feet deep water, 9 feet deep water appears to be 90 feet deep water. Why it is so? Why it is so, dear? The 9 feet deep water.
Sir, because of his fear.
Voice is not clear, my dear.
Sir, because of his fear, it seems him 90 feet deep water.
Yes, I say he was drowning in the YMCA pool. In the YMCA pool, at the end, there was a 9 feet deep water, 9, N-I-N-E. And when he was drowning in the 9 feet deep water, the 9 feet deep water appears to be 90 feet deep water. Why it is so? It is the theory of relativity. What is the theory of relativity? Nothing happens. Things happen as per their relativity with time, person, place, and circumstances. This is the theory of relativity. In theory of relativity, in pleasure, you see, in pleasure, 1 hour appears to be 1 minute in pleasure, but in sorrow, 1 minute appears to be 1 hour. In pleasure, time shrinks, okay, but in sorrow, time expands. It is the theory of relativity by Einstein. Things happen as per their relativity with time, person, place, and the time is running with the same speed. There is no difference in the speed of the time. What our mindset makes us guesses, increases the speed or decreases the speed. That is why when he was in the sorrow, he was drowning, he was planning, he was trying to execute his planning into action. This 9 feet deep water appears to be 90 feet deep water. It is because of theory of relativity. Things are clear, my dear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, again he planned. Like a bottle of cork, if he strike the bottom, like the bottle of cork, he will come out. But it does not happen. Water everywhere. He did not know what to do. His legs, his parts of body appeared paralyzed. He was ordering them. His mind was at work. He was ordering his hands and legs to move. You know, 1 day old young one of a buffalo, if thrown in the water, it swims. You know, you are from the farmer's family, you know it better. Okay, there might be some talab in your places. 1 day old young one of a buffalo, if thrown in the deep water, it cannot drown. It moves as if it is moving on the ground. It cannot. It swims. It does not drown. It cannot sink in water. But every idea came in his mind. His legs and parts of body paralyzed. He was ordering that legs must move, but they were not following his orders. His part of body paralyzed completely. Now he knew that now whatever could be done, I have done. Whatever could be done, I have done. No more can be done. No, nothing can be done. Now he waited. As he was doing, he was tired, he was exhausted. He was in the tension. He was in the turmoil. He was full of anxiety when he was doing and planning. When he surrendered himself, when whatever could be done, he did. Nothing happened. Then he surrendered to Almighty. जिधर ले चलोगे उधर हम चलेंगे, जिधर नाथ रख दोगे उधर हम रहेंगे. He surrendered because now he was waiting for the death to come. As he was waiting for the death to come, he experienced the peace. It was the extreme peace he enjoyed. We cannot enjoy peace because we always think I can do this, I can do, I will do. does not enjoy us the peace. When he stop doing, I cannot do. When we wait, we enjoy peace. This is the peace he experienced. For a short while, he experienced the peace. In the meantime, a very muscled boy, someone picked him up. He did not know, he was in the unconscious state. But he knew well what is going on. He can experience somebody is picking him up. Somebody is planning to put the water out of his body. In the meantime, an old man is saying to the muscled boy, 18 years old boy, this child is but drowned. He said, sorry sir, I was just making fun of it. You are making fun of it. The child was about to drown, about to be killed. This was the experience of